Hello everyone. So we are going to start our practical part. So how actually we can create a Azure storage account, that actually we are going to learn in this particular video. The theory part about the Azure storage we are going to learn in the next video. But as of now, just try to observe how actually we can create a storage account. Okay. Once you will log into the portal.azure.com, we have to search for the storage. Okay. Search for the storage. The storage accounts will come. Click on that. Okay, click on the create button. We are going to create a storage account. Click on the create. So in previous video we have seen how actually the subscription model work. So first we should have a subscription. Under the subscription we will create a resource group. If you haven't created a resource group, click on the create new and you can create a resource group. Under the resource group only we are going to create this storage account. So we selected the subscription, we selected the resource group. After that we have to give the storage account name. As of now I am giving the storage account name as a POC storage, like this. Okay, make sure it should be unique. Okay, after that you have to select the region. After that we have to select the performance. We have a two type, standard and the premium. Standard means it will give the HDD kind of the storage. Premium is it will give SSD kind of the storage. So premium is much more costly as compared to the standard, and it is fast also. And we have a redundancy, that is for the backup and all. That actually whenever we will learn about the theoretical part, there we will try to understand more about this redundancy. As of now I am selecting the GRS only. Click on the next. Here we are not going to do any changes as of now. Okay, click on the next, next, and you can review whatever the option you have selected. Okay, and after that we have to click on the create. Okay, now you can see the deployment is in progress. Here we have one option like the notification. If you click on the notification, you will be able to see all the notification about your account. Okay, so as of now the deployment is in progress for the storage account. That actually the notification we are getting. You can see the deployment is in progress. Once it will complete, our blob storage whatever we have created, that will be ready. Okay, so it is very simple step. The step by step I think you have observed, because whenever we will learn about more theoretical parts, so as we are doing a practical, we will be having idea like how actually we created Azure storage and how actually we will correlate with that. Okay, so let's wait it to be completed. You can see the deployment is succeed, deployment is complete. Go click on the go to resource. Okay, this is the overview. What is the hot tier, cold tier, that actually we will learn in our theoretical part. As of now what we are going to click on this container. Okay, click on this container, click on the plus container. We are going to create one container and we are going to upload a file. As of now I am creating one container, input container, and we can give a access level. You can give a privately if you want to access, you can give private, blob level access you can give, or you can give public access also. I have given the public access as of now, but make sure you give the private and all access. Just for the testing I am doing, that's why I selected that access. Okay, click on the input, click on the upload, search for the file, select any file. I have selected this file. Okay, click on the upload. This is how actually we can upload our file. Upload is now success. Now if you want to see this file, what you have to do, click on this upload, this particular file, click on the edit, click on the preview. Now you can see this is the particular file I have uploaded, and I can see this particular file also. So this is very simple. Okay, now I have given the public access, right? So if I will click here, if I will select this particular URL, and if I will open this, I will be able to download that particular file. Okay, you can see this is the particular file which got downloaded because I have given the public access. Okay, so make sure you will give in the private access. Okay, so that is how actually we can create a storage account, we can upload a file. Okay, more about the theoretical part we will learn in the next video, but as of now I think we got a overview idea like how actually we can create a storage account, how actually we can upload a file, what is the access hot tier and all that, actually we will try to learn more. What are the different type of the storage we have, ADLS and all that, actually we will learn in the next video. Thank you.